Hey everyone, welcome back to the Microwave Lab. I have a small amendment here to the my video about the GE Help emergency CB radio, and I realized I didn't do any antenna testing, and so I have the antenna connected. Where's the cable? Yeah, okay. BNC to RCA adapter, which I conjured up, and then I'll have it mounted on the wall over here via the magnet, just like you would have on your car. And now this isn't an ideal setup for measuring SWR because you'd want a big open area to avoid reflections back into the antenna, which your analyzer could confuse with reflected signal, which obviously would affect the SWR. But in this case, we're using the network analyzer, which is putting out a very small amount of power, so the odds of reflected waves making a difference in this measurement is pretty small. So I have let's see, my frequency span is I've got 26 megahertz to 29 megahertz, so just outside the CB band. And as you can see, this is SWR on the vertical scale, where 1 is down here is perfect, and this is pretty horrible SWR. But the one thing to note is I have one. Let's see, go back to my markers here. Marker 1 I have at 27.065 megahertz, which is channel 9 on CB. And so we look at there's marker 1 and marker 2. So marker 1 is at channel 9, and we're looking at an SWR of 1.5. So that's not too bad. And remember, this is marketed as an emergency CB, so you would be using it on channel 9 back in the 70s if you had an emergency. And I just have marker 2 on the minimum over here, which is about 1.4. So these are acceptable SWRs, not even too bad, but yeah, only attainable right in the middle there. So and I tried adjusting the antenna length. I shortened it a little bit, and it just made it a whole lot worse. So maybe there's something to that, but ideally you'd want it all the way extended for maximum range and also for a better receive. But yeah, so actually I expected this to be a lot worse, but right at your target channel, it's not too bad. So anyway, that's all for now. Just a little amendment to that, to the GE Help radio. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.